we get into today's video, here is my website in case you want to purchase anything from me. I do sell all of these products, and I will have my website link below. So this is our first order. She ordered 1 passion fruit and guava body cream, 1 rose body oil, and then 1 passion fruit and guava body scrub. So here's the body cream. We'll just place that in there. And then here's the body scrub. Make sure that's good and closed. And then here's the rose oil. Just gonna put that in there. Now I'm just gonna stack some more confetti tissue on top so that way it doesn't move during shipment. That might be too much. Then we're just gonna put the packaging slip in there. And then of course we have to add our beautiful thank you cards. I got these from God Print. They are glossy and very sturdy. I love them. So I'm just gonna fold that down. Right in there. And then close her. So here's our next order. She ordered 1 passion fruit and guava body scrub, 1 oats and honey body wash, and then 1 oats and honey body cream. So here is the oats and honey body cream. I absolutely love this product. So I'm happy to send this to her, and I hope she enjoys it just as much as I do. And then here is the oats and honey body wash. You can kind of see the oats in the product. And I absolutely love this as well. This is a great duo for eczema, psoriasis, or anything like that. And then here is the passion fruit and guava body scrub. Just gonna put some more confetti paper on top and in that little. Then we're gonna add the packaging slip again, and then we're gonna add our beautiful thank you cards. Close the sides down. Thank you cards. Close her. So this Blush Babe ordered 1 double-sided exfoliator, 1 pink sugar body cream, and 1 strawberry shortcake body cream and body wash. Here is the pink sugar body cream. Here is the strawberry shortcake body wash. Here is the strawberry shortcake body cream. And then here is the double exfoliator back scrub. And then now we're just gonna put the shipping label. And then of course we're gonna add our thank you cards on top. Close it up. Good to go. So this is our last order. It's a big one. So she ordered 1 oats and honey body cream, strawberry shortcake body scrub, pineapple body scrub, passion fruit and guava body scrub, 2 pink sugar body scrubs, 1 passion fruit and guava body cream, 1 pink sugar body cream, and 1 pineapple body cream. Here is the oats and honey body cream, the pink sugar body cream, the pineapple body cream, the passion fruit and guava body cream, the strawberry shortcake body scrub, the pineapple body scrub, the passion fruit and guava body scrub, and then the 2 pink sugar body scrubs. So I had to do a bit of maneuvering off camera to get it to all fit, but it fits now. So we're just gonna put the packaging slip in there. Close her up. And she's ready to be shipped out.